Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace thermostat Jeep Grand Cherokee. Drain the coolant into a clean container and let the engine cool fully before you touch anything. Remove the negative battery cable and locate the thermostat housing near the upper radiator hose. Have replacement thermostat, gasket, and coolant ready. Work methodically, keep fasteners organized, and inspect hoses for cracks. Clean mating surfaces before installing the new thermostat carefully. Start by loosening the clamp and removing the upper radiator hose from the thermostat housing. Unbolt the housing evenly using a crisscross pattern to avoid distortion and set bolts aside in order. Carefully lift the housing and note the thermostat orientation so you can install the new one the same way. Clean the gasket surface with a scraper and rag, removing old sealant and debris for a proper seal when you install the new thermostat. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more car tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your Jeep smelling great after hands-on work, and it pairs nicely with a clean interior during maintenance. I find a pleasant scent makes wrenching more enjoyable and masks lingering coolant odors. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Fit the new thermostat with the spring oriented toward the engine block and secure it in place. Position a new gasket or apply the specified sealant to ensure a leak-free joint, then realign the housing and snug bolts by hand before torquing to spec. Reattach the upper radiator hose and refill the cooling system with the correct coolant mixture, bleeding air by running the engine until consistent temperature and flow are achieved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.